Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. Then on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. You can finally use all of those categories at the top to pick files that you wish to transfer. You can click on multiple ones thanks to those type of dots, or just click on the couple of them. In my case, this one picture. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then tap on While using or only this time to allow camera access. And point your Android's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it and wait, I can see that my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!